Hello Ankesh, this is Hardik Maheshwari, 20 BIT 0434.
Hi Hardik, this is Ankesh Sharma, 20 BME 0701.
So, brother, how are your online classes going on?
There are various problems in attending online classes. Biggest problem is of focus. Like taking online classes, one device should be connected to internet. This makes various social media and other sites easily accessible that uh, for the distraction of students. While listening to online lectures for long hours, the biggest challenge is to stay focused. Such situation can be avoided by an active learner and keep up meaningful and relevant conversation with the teacher.
Okay, I understand that thing. The people or the youngster of this age or of our age are more inclined towards the internet, and they are everywhere. Everybody is present on the social media, and they have very much content of scrolling up and down of the reels or Instagram thing or Facebook thing while they are studying or while they are attending a online classes. They just simply turn off their audio and video and they start scrolling. But the thing is, the person who develop a discipline at this very moment of time, then he is the perfect person to attend, or he or she have the perfect ability of self discipline in him or her. Okay, let me ask you a question. Okay, then I'll tell you something more about this thing. Have you ever given up on your goal because you failed to meet one of the objective, or can you remember any time when you failed to complete a task because you simply lost the interest, or have you ever been let down by the superiors because of your poor discipline? If
Yes.
your Yes, if your answer is yes, then this is the thing, and this is the time when you can learn the self discipline in yourself. Bro, you have the time to implement the different type of styles of studying and inculcating the different thing hidden inside yourself. And second thing is that the you are only you are only responsible for the marks and the things which are going around in your life, because you are staying at your home and no one is able to distract you. Let's say if you are in a school or a college, then there might be some people such as your friends, or there might be some more distractions such as the drama or sports. But when you are staying at your home, you and only you are accountable for the things are going around you and your in your life and your marks. So the person need to be more accountable and more self disciplined, and he has to learn these things in the very moment of the time, and he have the opportunity to do so. Second thing, what I am going to say is that we are studying at the home and we have the opportunity and we have the our own place to study. We have saved so much of time to going to school and coming back to school. We have stopped the what we have saved so much time of the traffic thing. We if we got stuck in the traffic or many other things, such as we are going to have a bunk after the school, or we have no games period, or we don't have music or extra and other useless co-curricular activity that are going around in the school. So we can just study and we can inculcate the things which are hidden inside us. We can develop new skills while we are sitting at our home, and we have the comfort zone, and we are in the comfort zone. We can sit on the bed, we can sit on the table and chair. We get the food at the time when we have to eat it. We don't have to do any kind of laborious work of going here and there, of roaming in the school. Okay, so you get the thing.
I totally agree with you, Hardik. But when you are in school, a student get to learn a lot from their peers. While being with friends, they learn to be patient and get rid of disappointment and compete as well. There are many students who are habitual or enhancing their learning by participating in group studies and group discussions. However, in online classes, there is minimum or no physical interaction between students and teachers, as you know. This may result in sense of isolation for the student that can affect their studies quite badly. And the one of the biggest and most problem in online learning is the network problem. Though the countries have worked far better for developing the good internet system, a consistent connection with decent speed is still a problem in many of the cities and villages in India. Breakdown of internet connection or poor range of internet can break the continuity in learning of child. This may discourage students from attending classes regularly and learning their curriculum.
Yeah, I totally agree with this your this point. But the thing is, this is the network issue. We have everybody have faced this thing in a point of a life, and this is a genuine problem faced by every student in day-to-day life. At times, their net got data got finished, or there might be some network issue in his or her area. But the thing is, if we get the poor network, then we can just turn off the video and we can just hear what the teacher is teaching us, so that we could have a small little brief idea of what the teacher is going to be teaching in the next class, and what's the summary of the teacher which he taught in the present class. And second thing I want to say is key, we have total opportunity of downloading the lectures after the class get over. If we just simply listen to the audio of the teacher which he or she is teaching in the class, and after the class, when the class get over, we could ask to the sir or ma'am for the recorded session, so that we can download it and we can just listen, and we could moreover we could listen it at a much higher pace or a lower pace, so that we all have different as you know, we or everybody have a different kind of pace of learning. Okay. So in this online lecture, while staying at the home, we got the opportunity to learn at our own pace. If I got to download a video, if I want to listen it or see it at a 2x speed, then I have the ability to do so. If you want to see at the 1x or 0.8x, you have to see it the 5 more times, then you can do it. But when we are staying in the when we are staying in the college or we are studying in the school, we don't have such opportunity to ask the teacher to teach us whole 1.5 hour lecture again and again. We could ask some doubts, and he or she could explain us, but he will not entirely explain the whole class, the whole lecture. That's the thing. And the major the important thing and the important advantage is that if we have the recorded thing, we can watch it 4 months later also, 5 months later also, and immediately after the class also. What do you have to say?
Yeah, I totally understand your point, but I also want to take to you a biggest problem of attending online lecture, which is health issues among students. Like student have to sit before screens of their devices for long period of times. The classes may take 4 5 hours, as you know. That can be quite tiring for students. Some students may suffer from eyesight issues. Long exposure to screen may also induce headaches and many more problems in many students. Sometimes students can also develop bad posture and other physical problems due to leaning towards their screen. And also the biggest problem is the assignments and many other problems, like teacher faculty give assignments to make student learn and understand some new things, but in online lectures assignments are not taken seriously by students. They are directly copying it from Google or their friends, as there is no teacher to check whether student is writing by their own or not. And Many people attend the lectures, mostly morning lectures, just for the sake of attendance. As you know, it is very hectic for students to do all the lectures with the proper attention. So he just attend till the attendance is taken, then he leave. Most of the time it is done.
Yeah, I agree with that. I have also seen such kind of people who just attend the classes for the sake of attendance purpose, but we have to implement the thing that we have to properly attend the class and focus on the class with a whole discipline. If we have to change the world, then we have to change ourselves first. That's the major thing in the world. So if we will think that if we don't have to copy and we will not let anyone copy, or we will, if someone will ask to me that give your assignment to me, if I'll say no to him, then he might think that getting the complexity to ask someone else for assignment. And the thing which you said, keep the student at times get the ill or sickness, then the thing he or she should do is, when he is constantly looking to the screen, then he must take a break of 5 to 10 minutes and go wash and rinse his or her eyes with the cold water, so that the temperature of the eyes and the head can come down. Okay, so that the it can have a better functioning. And the second thing, he or she should eat the proper green vegetables, and drink the fruit juices such as carrot, pomegranate, tomato, so that improve the eyesight. At times it is seen that the people don't eat the green food and they just simply eat the junk food. And the thing which you are saying, they got ill, this is the basic thing, that the fat and the fat and the carbohydrate got the accumulated at the belly, and they get, at times they get obese. Okay, the major issue among the youngster these days is the obesity. The thing is ki you just take a brief walk of 10 to 15 minutes daily in the evening after having a dinner, and go up play a 15 to 20-minute game of lawn tennis or badminton or anything. And if you don't have these things, you just have a skipping rope, just do the skipping for 10 minutes, and 10 minutes yoga. That is enough for the maintenance of the proper blood circulation in the proper circulation in the body. And do the 5-minute meditation. It will also improve the concentration and discipline and the eyesight of the thing. So bro, what we can do is we just make ourselves good, and we can stop ourselves from doing such kind of malpractices among the examination and the assignment thing. And we can do the exercise, so that we could not get any more affected or get ill. And the thing is, the scenario of the world is changing. The pandemic has hit us hard, very hard. Not only us, the whole world is suffering from this. And somehow it is the reaping of which we have done to the earth. So we have to deal with this system, and it is the new normal of the whole world till the time everything gets settled down. So hereby I conclude. And do you have anything to say?
I to understand at this time, students should focus on online studies and take out their strategies to best in their academics, keeping aside all the odds and difficulties. So we can conclude our conversation. You stay safe, take care, have a nice day.
Thank you.
Thank you.